In this video, I want to talk about how you can get YouTube TV for free. Now, usually if you haven't bought it before, there will be some sort of free trial that you can use on YouTube TV. So what you want to do is you want to head over to tv.youtube.com, and from in here, you want to just create your account, or you can just sign in with an account you already have, which is usually just your Google account. So the one that you also use for normal YouTube. Then, as of this date right here, I will be able to see that I can try for 5 days for $0. Now, it might be different for you, and depending on when you're doing this, the kind of trial offer that they're running. But if you click on this button, it's gonna ask you to just log into your account real quick, and then you can sign up for a free trial. Now, as you can see here, the limited time offer that they're running a limited time offer here, which is this one. But they're also running the free trial. So if you're trying to do this, it might be 7 days, it might be 2 weeks, it might be another kind of free trial that you can do. But that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.